pretty good. Sorry.
Oh. Apa? Oh, dari mana? Kemarin dia minum yang mana? Dia minum boba. Di mana tadi? Ini sama terus.
The bear?
Thanks so much.
What's that?
Fish and chips. Delicious.
Ikan goreng sama kentang goreng.
Ikan goreng tepung.
Ya. Tidak ada tulangnya.
Tidak tulang.
Mm-mm.
Apa tulang?
Different to Tarajan fish.
Different. What's different?
Salt water. Salty. Salt water.
Salty.
Not fresh water.
Yeah, salty. Maming.
Mummy.
Maming.
Mami.
Maming. Makanan Belanda. Empuk. Empuk. Soft. Ini cewek-cewek mau makan apa?
Mau
Makan kentang saja.
apa?
Makan kentang.
Makan kentang nanti di situ. Lihat.
Oh, itu kentangnya. Oh, kentangan segala.
Is that you, Mitchell?
Yes.
Sorry, my brother.
Oh, baik.
Karena terlambat kan, sambil saya.
Paddy sudah makan daging.
Pedi sudah bisa makan daging. Oh, ya. Ini Pedi dulunya vegetarian tapi sekarang sudah bisa makan daging.
Would used to be a vegetarian? Yeah. That was one of the first things he asked me. Choosers. He's like, about me. He's like, Paddy's still vegetarian. Mostly,
Mostly.
but little bit meat. All meats or just fish and chicken?
Tapi sok hot point.
Oh, I don't eat pork.
Apa namanya?
Like strictly don't eat pork.
POD.
POTTS.
Just fond of the pig.
Oh ini.
Is it their intelligence?
Hot point kayak sabar.
I think seeing them actually interacted when we saw them getting their heads chopped off in front of me, I was vegetarian at that time, and I was kind of like, I'm not eating pigs again. I was just eating, and then I think of that, and I don't actually love pork. It's never been something I've been crazy about. Bacon's pretty tasty. You think pork is my favorite meat? Really? Well, actually a good steak. I'll eat steak. Yeah.
Dari mana kita ini
When I feel it,
cewek-cewek?
my mum will sometimes
Kita mau kemana nanti kan?
run around when I feel it.
Terserah mau ke Mampet mau
It's
kemana.
very,
Mau jalan-jalan saja tuh.
Bisa.
Jalan-jalan.
but
jalan kaki.
pork's not as nutritious though as like.
Kita mau nikmati ke kotanya.
I feel it for steak.
Jauh kan dari rumah yang sini?
There's more like the vitamins
Jauh.
in meat. Bring chair. We've got heaps of
Bisa digabung.
cholesterol in here.
Nomor berapa birunya lang? Berapa biru? Totalnya 2680.
There's a lot of fat and stuff.
Udah pesen
in
milkshake.
chicken. Leave that there. Is that yours?
Abang harus tanyain.
Hold on, leave that.
30.
Pull that one out a bit. Pull that one out a bit.
Makan.
Did the stopper? Was there a stopper? Where? Yeah, I think.
Oke, Reni Magnani.
Well, hold that for a second. Hold that.
Let's
move this. Let's move this that way. a
Reni,
bit.
dome ikut petumah datu.
Ready?
Itu minta? Memang gila sih.
Yeah.
Kenapa gak ter? Oh.
Oh, hang on, Widi.
So how long were you?
Apa ya tuh?
Probably. proper vegetarian, plain fish. And
Bagus pakai alas.
yeah. Still don't eat much meat, but it's a privilege to have the choice.
Bisa?
Joe? I could
Gini ya, gini ya.
not fussy. But if I have a choice, I
Goyang.
don't eat it.
It's less about like the new one.
Goyang. Goyang.
It's like when you
Eat better.
totally
A little bit.
Oke, bagus.
So actually I will.
Oke, ukuran di Reni. Reni Mangadi dari Boko.
Dari Boko.
Dia bilang suruh Chris bungkuskan sedikit.
Bungkuskan apa?
Itu makanan.
Originally,
Mau dibawa
Ikan goreng.
Iya, ikan goreng.
Bungkus ke Toraja.
Reni Mangadi. Iya. di
Mungkin
Boko.
ketika datang dah bisa makan lagi.
Iya. Oke.
Alrighty, here we are. Good job.
an extra plate.
Thank you so much.
Oke, thank you. Oh, maming.
Fantastic.
Aku mau kan di Belanda.
How it was produced and the effects that was having on the
Alright.
water consumption and all that stuff. Kind of
Oh.
gross
Kira
me out.
musuh dia, may isang minggu pa.
That's kind of why.
Satu minggu
I read that
lagi.
book and I read it.
Oh. Ini. Singa-singa. Batul cucuk saya kung dilaku teh.
You want some salad?
Ya.
Salad.
Kenyang minum dia.
Kami mau habis dulu ya.
I grew up inside. There's nothing that can separate from
True.
Jam berapa?
But now I
It's
understand.
definitely. You have to kind of get
Ayan.
that.
Kan detinda ya.
If I were to live in Indonesia again, maybe I just eat like 10 fried tempeh every day.
Oh, diiris. Ya.
Yeah.
Potong.
Healthy.
Potong dulu
It's
ya,
like
potong.
less fermentation.
It's like I do this for my nieces,
People don't
for
have
children.
like vegetarian.
Oh, for your children.
Jadi punya ayam
Remember when we got to
Masa papa aku dari SD Tumadato, Pak Luther. Oh, anaknya Pak Luther, you know Pak Luther.
Pak Luther.
Tumadato.
Manggatu, hello.
everyone.
Oh, anaknya
My
Pak
brother.
Oke, terima kasih.
Ayam tepung dicoleknya di saus kayak gini.
Ini ayam. Dalam tempe sama makanan Belanda.
Good.
Nah, good. Cocok juga ini mulutku apa lidahku ini.
Ano,
Cocok lidah sedikit ya.
kan ayam geprek gitu.
Geprek ini, gua pantas cocok lidahku.
Anybody?
Fish and chips.
Trina, like compare. That face isn't as good as the other face.
Kenapa mau itu ya?
Can I just touch it?
Just touching it.
Don't judge us, dude.
Or is it barramundi?
Tomat.
Ah, you can
See, look
tell
at
the
that. It's all, this
fish.
one's all.
She works in a fish and chips place.
Barramundi.
Tastes like barramundi. Is that Suno fish?
Barramundi.
Is it barramundi?
I don't know. I just ordered fish.
Oh my god, maybe something correlated between
I'd say it's
the
a good
place you
guess.
live and the place you work. You live in Suno Street.
No, I live in Cambia. Not in Suno.
Oh my god, Kanya. But it's like
different from
near
me.
all the fishes street. Maybe there's something correlated with that.
I don't even know.
Kau sudah makan? Sudah.
Makan apa tadi? Sushi.
Jangan lupa kalau pulang Om Kris, iya nanti bulan 7 bulan 6 Om Kris kembali ke Toraja.
Namanya?
Tunggu biar aja bulan 6 Om Kris. Bawa ke Roti Maros.
Ini kita cool guys di Australia.
Maros.
Pulang dari Australia Bawa oleh-oleh roti Maros.
Si Kiana maunya makan di mobil. Beli kacang disco. ini mobilnya mamanya bilang. Rubicon.
Steam on the salad, eh?
Biar anak kecil tahu mana mobil yang bagus.
Kenapa dari kemarin saja mau duduk di mobil? Kenapa waktu Rubicon datang baru duduk di mobil?
Adik minta kain oleh-oleh ke sini lah, tak boleh musengin deh.
I always ordered them. Not tonight. This was so fucking expensive already.
How is it? Good palmy.
Tahu daun apa ini?
Not bad.
What's leaf?
Daging babi,
Oh, babi.
di atas daging ayam.
Ya baik, kalau ini kau makan ini daging babi.
Apa bagus ya upload di IG-nya sepakat lo kamu.
Namanya Hen.
Kuan ni Om Chris dan Rara. Rara ngaduku. Dan Rara.
Mau nggak upload
Dan Rara.
semuanya kayak retrospektif
Rara
dari
ngaduku.
tour
Tuh,
Thai.
dan Rara Rara ngaduku.
Setelah ada live berarti ini.
Susah di
Did you just buy that hat, Rara?
Yeah, he bought me.
Just now.
Yeah, just now.
bikin kan misalnya kayak satu paragraf kalimat-kalimat kayak bla bla gitu. Nanti aku desainkan sebarang dengan kayak lokasi ke apa kan.
Dari pagi dia
Panggil
Dia bagus kalau
Australia.
bikin di press release. gue.
Iya. Ini panggil ke Australia ini.
Yang IDN Times
You
tuh
call
dia
me to
mau
come to Australia?
Iya.
Iya, iya.
Ya kayak berapa peserta, berapa penonton di Acme, berapa penonton di Acme, berapa penonton di Adelaide kayak gitu. Can we get the information?
Kalau Acme ada aja informasinya.
What
Saya tadi malam ada sih.
I think we have
Tidak ada ekstrasi,
how much
jadi-
ticket sales for Acme. I want to make a press release for Sepakat Duo for IDN Times, like journalistic.
Bapak salah.
How soon do you need the info?
After the screen tuh.
Like, you wanna post this now?
Nah. After the screen tuh, after the Adelaide screen.
Okay.
Nanti saya chat Ana, tanya.
Tanya. Tapi susahnya kayaknya itu yang ada karena ada registrasinya ya. Udah kayak di itu.
Ada pakai money itu.
Dilihat, dicek memang. Bisa aja berarti track. Sama kayak testimoninya ini weh.
Ya, coba dipoto kemarin juga lihat.
Kayak Ana
Kita bisa hitung.
apa.
Tidak kurang dari 60 itu kemarin itu.
So it doesn't really.
Lewat situ.
How many people are there?
Let's just say kita lakukan tour. Do we need to?
Kita tuh di tinggal tempat teman
Hmm?
Do we need to give out
More than
information
50.
how much, how many
Yeah.
people attend?
More than 50 people.
Beberapa host yang host itu ya kenapa mereka kayak infected.
Ya,
Kayak
oh
gitu.
iya. Kita turun di situ.
Mami, oke, ya. Nah, kita lanjut. Saya habiskan dulu nasi. Oh, ini kok nanti makananku.
Nanti tanggal 12 juga